welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. It's gonna be kind of a day in the life. I thought I'd take you guys along with me, just on a day, what I would do. I still feel a little down. What I would do in just a normal day. I'm trying to stretch this hair because it's way overdue for a wash and refresh, and I just don't have the energy, so that's why it looks the way it looks. But that's good enough right now. I'm getting ready to go. Sorry if you guys can hear the fan, it's a little warm in here today. I'm getting ready to go on a breakfast, or should we say brunch? Yes, a brunch date. Hubby said that he wanted to take me out for breakfast instead of me cooking, and you guys know I always tell y'all, a good day, a perfect day for me is less time being spent at the stove, okay? So less time being spent at the stove for me is a awesome day. I'll fix my hair a little later. I'll fluff it out some more a little later. But anyways, that's good for now. So I did a little makeup just to make myself feel pretty, y'all. I need to start using color on my hair because these grays are officially out of control. Like, I'm getting a gray patch, like right in this section here. Like, it's just growing there. And you can see it here because it's padded in the middle, but on this side has little to no grays, maybe like one or two here, but little to none. It's like just focused in the same spot. But anyways, I'm just getting ready. I'm going to put on some liner. I'm not going to do my lashes. I was going to put on my individual lashes, but I really don't feel like it. I don't have the energy to sit here and try to put on the individuals, and I don't have any strips. So I'm just going to put on some mascara, maybe a little color in the corner, and find something to wear. So I will pick y'all up when we are headed out. So see y'all in a few. So this is the outfit. I'm wearing my green and white stripe. Hope you guys can see me. I'm wearing my green and white striped shirt from Taco. This white short like mini maxi is from H&M. My jewelry is from, oh, I can't remember the name of this place. I worked with them in a collab. And then my gold hoops, and just have a little bit of color on the eyes, and then some basic makeup. Oh, I have to put on my rings, and that's it. Oh, and for shoe, I'm wearing my brown shoe with that gold medallion on top, and that is the look. So heading out because I'm running a little late. So we just got back home. Y'all, tell me why it's so hot outside and it's getting ready to be fall. All summer long, Germany was ice cold, okay? In my region was ice cold. Now it's hot. And I mean that kind of heat where you can't even breathe. Like, I could not even breathe. You have to, let me sit down. Let me sit down. Like, I could not even breathe. That's how hot I am. Like, we went out, we did a nice little walk after we had our, I want to say lunch. It was lunch because I didn't get a breakfast meal. I just got a sandwich and some cocoa. We got lunch. We went for a nice long walk. Then after that nice long walk, we went for a nice long drive to try cool down. Got us a little ice cream and ate that. Now we're back home and hubby wants a carrot cake, but he doesn't want icing on the cake. So I think I'm just going to put it in a loaf pan and it's going to be carrot bread, child. I wish I got me some nuts when we was out. Dang, I could have get some pecans. Oh well. I'm going to add the carrot cake batter in a loaf pan so he can just cut it like bread because he wants it with his coffee and stuff like that, but he doesn't want any icing. So I'm gonna make that, but not right now. I'm gonna relax, y'all, because when I say your girl's tired, your girl is exhausted. I am tired. I'm gonna sit down in the front room with hubby and watch a movie for maybe an hour or so, catch myself, and then we're going to make this carrot cake. So I'll pick you guys up in a few, and if I do anything else, my day is pretty boring, but if I do anything else, I will definitely pick you guys back up. So see you guys in a few. For the day, so I'm just using some wipes and my cellar water just to start taking it off. I'm probably going to play some music because you guys could probably hear my husband talking. I'm going to play some music and then I will pick you guys back up when I'm done. What she say? I absolutely love that micellar water. That just takes off everything, 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 everything. I'm just using a wipe again, the same wipe actually, to wash my face. For my nighttime 3-0, I'm going to use some, this is a face repair cream. It's in German, guys. I'm sure you guys won't be able to read it. Yeah, it's a Aufbaucreme. It's a face repair cream, and it has Q10 and vitamin A inside it. And then I'm just gonna add a few drops of my retinol serum, as well as a pump of my vitamin C. And I did use vitamin C earlier in the day, but it's like after 6 o'clock right now. Even though the sun is out still, it's after 6. So before we order, because we're ordering dinner, I'm tired. I'm just gonna put a little in my hand, as well as just a pump of my vitamin C, and about 3 drops. I'm starting to think my face doesn't like this retinol, and I'm just going to I'm just going to go ahead and mix that together and then just add it over my face. Because every time I use this retinol, I break out, which is interesting. But yeah, this is my nighttime mix. I hope you guys enjoyed getting unready with me. Getting unready with me, and I wish I had a little more to do, but this is my real life, and I'm not gonna just go all out of my way just to find things to do for just vlogging purposes. So this is my real life. Hope you guys enjoyed. If we do go out to eat instead of just ordering in, I will show you guys. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life with me. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Also hit that like button if you enjoyed this, and I will see y'all in the comment section down below. So until then, see y'all later.